Make a great choice today with the 2024 Charger Daytona. The Dodge Charger Daytona is an upcoming all-electric muscle car that blends classic performance with modern electric technology. Featuring aggressive styling, powerful electric drivetrains, and high-performance capabilities, it aims to deliver a thrilling driving experience while embracing a new era of sustainable power. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, remote trunk release. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.